All right, you guys, welcome back, man. Still in our C10 truck. We don't know what year it is. It doesn't matter, because it's awesome. Right now, man, we're kind of diving into the interior. Nice job on the welding, man. Tacking up some of this roll cage so we can get, well, the interior, making sure everything fits properly, seats and so forth. How'd this new welder feel?
Oh man, having fun with fire. Anytime you get out the burn stick, and oh, it's awesome. He's done a great job with the cage. He's got some confidence in here for us to go ahead and tack in a few things, like you said, to make sure, right, everything's gonna fit, but we can cut them back out. Right. But we used our new YesWelder, man, and
what a setup.
Really impressed.
Yeah, man.
Like for a multi-process and entry price, so sweet.
Yeah.
If you're thinking about getting into welding and you want multi...
And you all are. You all have wanted to weld, right? You just probably couldn't afford it, or maybe that's a big leap. Here's something that they put together a really nice package and a really nice machine.
Yeah, look at, man, you got so many different functions between using MIG just to tack everything up. You can do Flux Core as well, right? You can do lift DC TIG, so we can steel TIG, right? So if we want to TIG this thing.
Even one pulse aluminum capability as well.
And the stick, yeah, check that
and
out.
The spool gun, boom, right there. How about that, man? All kinds of features. Like if you're new to welding, this machine, dude, this could put you over the hump. This is great.
It's their MIG-205DS Pro, man, and it's got a really simple interface you can see, right? So you just change your settings right in here like so. Couldn't get any easier, and
110, 220, yeah, super light, super compact. Take it wherever you need to go and get the job done.
Look at the size of that thing to be able to punch out 220 volts.
Yeah, and big spool.
Yeah,
right? Gotta like that, man. So cool little package, cool little machine, great little option for a lot of people out there.
No doubt. We're gonna keep on moving here, so we're gonna tack a few more pieces in, and we got some more goodies going in on the interior, so we're gonna spend a little time in there. Follow along.